We are so excited that you are going to be joining Solano Resource Conservation District on an upcoming field trip. We are going to have a great day of learning, exploring, and discovering more about water resources here in Solano County.
Whether this is your first time out in natural places like this, or you come here all the time, our education team is going to welcome each one of you and show you around.
In this video, you'll get a sneak peek of what to expect and how to best prepare for your field trip. First off, let's talk about what to wear and what to bring. Walking and hiking are great ways to connect with nature, learn new skills, and see wildlife. Most of our trips involve some moving around on the trails with terrain like you see here.
It can be a little bit rocky, uneven, steep, dusty, or muddy. The best shoes to pick for a field trip day are ones that will keep your feet from slipping and are okay to get a bit dirty.
We recommend wearing sturdy, closed-toe footwear on the day of your field trip. The weather can be different throughout the year and can even change during the day.
We recommend checking the forecast ahead of time and dressing in layers so you can be comfortable. Wearing long pants can help protect your skin against prickly plants, poison oak, and ticks. These are the reasons we stay on the trails and recommend washing your clothes and bathing or showering when you get back home. You should know we're not going to go outside if it's not safe, but it still could be hot, cold, windy, even drizzly. Wear what you need to be comfortable outside.
Unless your teacher has a different plan, you can bring a small backpack with you to keep supplies close by during the day. Sunscreen, sanitizer, bug protection, a hat, jacket, plenty of water, and snacks and lunch are all good things to carry with you.
If you can, do your back a favor and leave heavy items like school books at home or in the classroom. Thanks. Your group leader will have a first aid kit with you on the trail, but in case you need something like an inhaler or an EpiPen, please make sure that your teacher or the adult coming with you has that available during the trip.
Some of our field trip sites involve more rigorous hiking uphill. If any students, teachers, or chaperones have accessibility needs related to navigating on trails, please have your teacher contact us so we can plan ahead.
Even though every field trip site will be different, you will always have access to bathrooms and places to rest along the way. Check with your teacher about your specific field trip site. Our field trips have many activities going on, and you'll have a group leader with you the whole time to guide you, keep you safe, and help you make great memories with your classmates. If you have any concerns during the trip, we'll be here to help.
We are excited to share these experiences with you, and we hope you are too. See you soon!